Hi everyone, please open Auto Flash Fill practice exercise. This exercise is all flash fill. So on the first one, flash fill worksheet, click in A3 and drag the fill handle to row 12. You'll get all ones. Click the autofill options. It's on copy. The default is to copy. Choose fill series so you get 1 through 10. The next one, column B, I want it to increase by 2s, 2.5, 4.5, 6.5. You must select both cells first, then fill handle. In the next one, column C, I want it to rotate Bob, William, Susan, Bob, William, Susan. Select all 3 and then fill handle. Column D, I want it to increase every half hour. If we were to just select 9:30, we would get 9:30, 10:30 by the hour. You need to select both so Excel understands the pattern. Select both, then fill handle, all the way to 1:30 p.m. On increase by month, if you use the fill handle, it'll go January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd, but I would rather it be the first of every month. So choose the autofill options and choose fill months. So it's January 1st, February 1st, March 1st. When you see hashtags, that just means that the column's not wide enough. So hover up between the E and the F and double click, and it widens to fit everything in the column. For the next one, column F, for Monday, use the fill handle. Notice you get Monday through Sunday, and it starts over again Monday. But if you choose autofill options, you can choose weekdays, and there are no weekends. This one's quarterly, so select both cells, then fill handle. Should go all the way to June 30th, 2021. And the last one should be yearly. When you scroll down, the default is to copy. Choose autofill options and fill series, so it goes to 2021. So that worksheet's complete. Click full name. In this one, dates by year, just go ahead and click in A2 and use your fill handle. It goes all the way to the 9th of January. In this one, I want to combine B, column C, and column D. Carefully type Michael, space, William, space, Henley. Make sure you have no typos, it's spelled accurately. Press enter. When I just type the lowercase l of the next name, it'll fill all of them in for me. Enter and done. So if I wanted to, I could actually delete these columns and have just one column. Choose phone number. When you look at the phone numbers in column A, it's just a lot of numbers. It would be better if it was area code in parentheses, followed by the number, dash, and 4 more numbers. So type the first one as you see it. Open parentheses 212, close parentheses, space 555-0167, enter. When I type the very first parentheses of the next phone number, I'm done, enter. In column D, instead of just having Smith, I would like it to be the Smith family. So I type in the first one and then press enter. When I start the next one, it's going to, when I start it's automatically going to want to type in Smith. But I keep typing till I get to the T, for Tucker, and then I'm done. This is a quick feature in the flash fill for Excel. Click in the next one, more names. And in D2, again, we just want to have first name and last name, so we're not having any middle names. So Michael, Henley, enter, and Alex, done. No middle names, no middle initials, just first and last. On this one, it's just middle and first initials, period, space, last name. And then when I start the next one, A for Alex, I'm done. Flash fill handle. Next one, central. So over here, you have ISBN number. I want just the middle number, the 4645. So just type 4645, enter, 9, and I'm done. All the center numbers. Username. For this one, I just want the first part of the username, so Tony Stark, enter, and then C for Clark, and I'm done. And then the last sheet, state, I want just Detroit, or Michigan, MI, enter, Kansas, and I'm done. Zip code, if I just wanted to pull out the zip codes, type the first one, enter, and then start the next one, done. Now the city, Detroit, and the next one is Lawrence, enter. Notice it was a lowercase l. And the last one, street name. So Nash Street. And the next one is, whoops, a little typo there. Won't work if you have anything spelled wrong. And then the next one is hill. And I'm done. Excellent. Go back to the first one, flash fill. And you have all of these. I've named them with different names for the tabs, and I color coded them. So normally if you were to create a new sheet, you just click the circle with the plus and you get a completely new sheet, and there'd be sheet 1, sheet 2, and etc. What I did was right clicked and I renamed, and then I also right clicked and chose a different tab color. But for this I'm just going to delete it. So with flash fill selected, hold shift and then click state, and it changes them all to the same color. So they're all one color. Now I'll go back to File, Print, and then just to show you right now, it's in the portrait landscape and there's no header and footer. Because I've selected all of the sheets, it should be 1 through 9. And I'm going to choose the page setup. I want it in landscape so you can see everything. Margins, I usually always do horizontal and vertical center. Header, footer, custom header. I want the date to the left, the name of the file in the middle, and then your name on the right. Click OK and OK. It puts it in landscape. It centers it vertically and horizontally, and it'll have the header and footer on all the sheets. Now there's only 7 sheets, and as I scroll through, my name, the header, is on all of them. Go back to the document and just click any sheet, and it changes them so that they are not all selected. File and save as. Thank you.